Okay, somebody said it already. Yes, it's 40 total. If Javion reaches into the basket without looking and removes the sock, which of the following statements is true? Javion is 50% as likely to remove a black sock than a gray sock. How many black socks are there? 16. How many gray socks are there? 8. Is 16 50% of 8? What's 50%? Half. Is 16 half of 8? No. Is 16 half of 8? The other way around, but that's not what they wrote. Okay, be careful with these words here. Javion is equally likely to remove a blue or white sock from the basket as a black sock. So I need blue or white. What do I need to do with blue or white? Add them. How many blue? Oh, there's 16 total. 6 blue, 10 white. Is equally likely as a black sock. What's black? Is this true or false? True. I'm done. I found my answer. I want something that's true.
So 8?
No. Javion is 3/4 as likely to remove a gray sock as a blue sock. Gray is 8, blue is 6. This would be 8 over 6. This does not equal 3/4. Javion is less likely to remove a black sock than a blue or gray. Black is 16. Blue or gray is 6 plus 8, which is 14. 16 is not less than 14. All right, 12, or a 12-sided number cube, number die, because I can't have a cube and it have 12 sides. It's rolled exactly once. What's on those faces of this number die? 1 through 12. List those numbers out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Which statement is correct? The probability of rolling a multiple of 2 is 3 times more likely than the probability of rolling a multiple of 4. How many multiples of 2 are there? What is a multiple of 2? What is a multiple of 2? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and? How many are there? 6 multiples of 2. What else? I need a multiple of 4, and I need a multiple of 3. How many multiples of 4? What are they? Good. 3 multiples of 4. How many multiples of 3? More. How many did you say? 4. What are they? Every other 3. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 12. 4 multiples of 3. What? My bad. Okay, write this down. Okay, so let's look at the answers and figure out what's true or what's correct. The probability of rolling a multiple of 2 is 3 times more than the multiple of 4. So look at the multiple of 2. There's 6 of them. And 3 times more the multiple of 4. How many multiples of 4 are there? How many? 3. What's 3 times 3? Is this answer 9? No, I don't have 9 multiples of 2. The probability of rolling a multiple of 2 is 2 times more likely than the probability of a multiple of 4. Same thing. 3 times what this time? 3 times how much? 2. Times 2. What's 3 times 2? Is this true?
Yes.
It is true. The probability of rolling an even number is less likely than the probability of rolling a two-digit number. How many even numbers are there? More. 6 even numbers. And how many numbers with 2 digits are there? Is 6 less than 3? No. The probability of rolling an odd number, how many odd numbers are there? It's the same as, because it says equally likely as a multiple of 3. How many multiples of 3 were there? Is 6 equal to 4? Nope. Your answer should be clear and obvious now. Okay, get ready to go. The bell is about to ring. Okay, page 181. Talia plays a board game with a friend. She uses a frequency table to record the results for each roll of a standard die. How many times did she roll 1? How many times did she roll 2? 3, 4, 5, and 6. How many times did she roll all together?
30.
I got something out. 4 plus 2.
26.
Okay, excuse y'all. 4 plus 2. Plus another 6. Plus another 5. 12 plus 5 is 17. 17 plus 8 plus 1. 26 rolls. And where does the 26 go? Where? At the denominator, at the bottom. Based on the data in the frequency table, what is the probability of rolling a 5 on the next roll? So what do I need to look at? The 5s. 8 out of 26, and then I'll need to simplify. Marcia, number 1 on 175, performs an experiment in which she pulls a marble from one of 2 bags. Each bag contains 12 red marbles. Okay, find another seat. He's occupying your seat for now. So, bag A has 30 marbles, and bag B has 12. Bag A contains 30 marbles and bag B contains 12 marbles. Each bag has 12 red marbles. So, what's in this bag?
30.
12 red. Is that all 30 of them?
No.
So then what's the rest? Not 17. 18 what? Does it give you another color? So 18 what? How do I describe those marbles? Other marbles. No, it is not 18 red. It tells me right here that 12 of them are red. Bag B contains 12 marbles. What's in this bag? All of them are what? The probability of randomly selecting a red marble from bag A is 1. So I'm looking for what is true. What does 1 mean? No, that is not what it means. Yes. Not quite. My chances are what? How do I write that? No. Okay, so what's the chance for getting a red marble in bag A? 12 out of what? Does that equal 1? So is this true or false? What is the probability of getting a red in bag B? Which is what, bless you? 100 or what? Which is 1 for this one. 100% or 1. 1 whole. B, the probability of randomly selecting a red marble from bag A is equal to the probability of getting it from bag B. Bag A, y'all told me it's 12/30. Bag B, you told me it's a whole. True or false? The probability of randomly selecting a red marble from bag A is 3/5. What do I need to do to 12/30 to find out? What do I get? I do not get 6/5. What'd you divide by?
615.
6 out of 15. Sure. Keep simplifying.
415.
2 over 5. Is this correct? No. The probability of randomly selecting a red marble from bag A is less than the probability of randomly selecting a red marble from bag B. 2/5 is less than 1 whole. That is true. Jeanne spins a spinner 50 times and records the results of each spin in a table. Based on the data, which of the following could be used or could describe the spinner Jeanne used? What do I have here? A total, which is what? It gives it to me. I don't have to add it up. They give it to me straight up. 50 is my total. So, what is this? What do I do? Guys, okay. No, 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 and no. What have I done with the other tables in this assignment, guys? I've done it enough for you to pick up on it and figure out or remember what I did. Look back at another question and tell me what I did when you had a table. Thank you. Turn it into a fraction. Where are those other questions at? Right here. I turn these into a fraction. 32 out of 50, 18 out of 50. Where's another one? I'm going over these so y'all can follow my example. At the very beginning, 10 out of 72, 9 out of 72, 11 out of 72. You have to look back at your work to figure out what you're supposed to do so that you can do it independently. I cannot help you on the test tomorrow. Y'all made me lose my question. Again, what am I supposed to do? Okay, what do I put here? Thank you. What do I put here? Thank you. Now, what was the next thing that I did with that same, or with the similar table? Simplify. 2/5. What else? 1/5. What else? 1/10 and 3/10. No, I can't divide this one by 10. I divided this one by 5. And I divided this one by 5 as well. The first 2 by 10, the second 2 by 5. Okay, the blue section is twice as large as the red section. Where's blue? So if I take red and double it, I'm going to get blue. That means 2 times 20 is 10. Is that true? No. 2 times 20 is 10. No, those are not equal. The green section is larger than the yellow section. Green has more than yellow.